Hi friends, today we are discussing N832 Mathematics Geometry Paper 2 2025 10th Standard Maharashtra Board. Disclaimer: State Board 10th Standard N832 Mathematics 71 Geometry Paper 2 E 2025 question and answers. And before watching this video, kindly type in YouTube search at the rate of Ishwarya Vijay Kumar and kindly subscribe to the channel. Question number 1. Choose the correct alternative form from given. Out of the following, which is the Pythagorean triplet? Answer is B 3 4 5. Here is the answers explanations. A Pythagorean triplet consists of three positive integers ABC that satisfy the Pythagorean's theorems. A square plus B square equal to C square. Now A 1 5 10 and here 1 square plus 5 square equal to 1 plus 25 equal to 26, that is not equal to 10 square. 1 square plus 5 square equal to 10 square, that is not equal to 100. So first one is not Pythagorean triplet. And second option is 3 4 5. We are getting 3 square plus 4 square, it means A square plus B square equal to C square. So we are getting 25 equal to 5 square. So C equal to the same way not equal. 2 square plus 2 square equal to 4 plus 4 equal to 8, not equal to, so 2 square equal to 4. D 5 5 2, that is also not equal. So finally B is 25 square. 25 equal to 25, we are getting 5 square. So B is the right answer. Question number 2. That angle A is inscribed angle in a circles with a center O. If angle ACB is 65 degree, then what is measure of its intercepted arc AXB? Answer is 130 degree. The answer of this question is the brief answer and explanations I have given here. The measure of an inscribed angles in a circles is half of the measures of its intercepted arc. Given angle ACB 65 degree, since an inscribed angles is half of the intercepted arc, we use the formula angle ACB equal to half arc AXB. 65 degree equal to half x, multiplying both side by 2, we are getting x equal to 130 degree. So the final measurement arc AXB equal to 130 degree. Answer D is the final answer. Question number 3. Distance of point 3, 4 from the origin is? Answer is C 5. And the distance of the point from the origin is given by the distance formula D equal to root of x square plus y square. So we are getting the 3, 4 as x plus y, we are getting root of 25 equal to 5. 5 is the answer. C. Question number 4. If radius of cone is 5 cm, its perpendicular height is 12 cm and then slant height is 13 cm. Answer is 13 cm. Here question number 4. If the radius of cone is 5 cm and is perpendicular height is 12 cm, then the slant is Answer is 13 centimeter. That is the answers. How did you get? I equal to root of r square plus h square, r is equal to 5 centimeter, h equal to 12 centimeter. Substituting, we are getting the answer C, 13 centimeter. And question number 1b. In the following figure, angle of ABC, BDC and BD equal to 7, BC equal to 20, then angle of A triangle ABD upon A triangle ABC. That is the questions. Here answer here is there. BD equal to 7, BC equal to 20 given. B plus DC equal to BC, BDC. Then 7 plus DC equal to 20, DC equal to 20 minus 7 equal to 13. Angle of ABD and angle of ADC and angle of ABC is a common vertex of A, that basis of BDDC, and have equal heights. Area of triangle with equal heights is proportional to their corresponding bases. A angle of ADB upon A angle of ABC. BD by BC, we are getting 7 upon 20. That is the final answer. Question number 2. B2. In the following, M and P 90 degree segment NQ perpendicular segment NP and MQ equal to 9, QP equal to 4, and find NQ. Here answer I have given here, that angle of MP, segment of NQ and segment of NP. And NQ square equal to NQ into QP. Theorem of geometric means NQ equal to root of NQ plus QP and root of 9 9 into 4. Root of 9 into root of 4. We are getting final answer 6. And question number 1b3. Angle made by the lines which positive directions of x-axis is 30. Find slope of that lines. Angle M, that is line is tan theta. We are getting tan theta is equal to tan 30 degree equal to 1 upon root 3. And this question number 4. In cyclic quadrilaterals, ABCD, angle of A equal to 100 degree, then find MC. Angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degree, A equal to 100 degree, C equal to 180 minus 100 degree. Finally, we are getting 80 degree. Question number 2A1. The radius of the circles with the center P is 10 cm. If chord AB of circles in substance a right angles at P, find the area of minor sectors by using the following activity. Pi equal to 3 upon 3.14. The activity, here is the activity value. Formula is pi r square, the 90 upon 360. We are getting 3.14 into 100, we are getting 314 and we are getting finally 78.5 square centimeter. And in the following figure, chord MN and chord RS intersect at point D. If RD 15, DS equal to 4, MD equal to 8, and find DN is completing the following activity. And here RD is their answers, and here 8 and 60 upon 8 we are getting 7.5 units. The observer of question number 3. The observer at a distance of 10 meter from the tree looks at the top of the tree. The angle of elevations is 60 degree. To find the height of tree, complete in activity root 3 equal to 1.73. Then activity equal to here AB and root 3 and 17.3 and 17.3 meter. That is the answers. And B, the following the subsequence of the angle of ABC DE, BC DE parallel to, if DB equal to 5.4 centimeter, AD equal to 1.8 centimeter, EC equal to 7.2 centimeter, and then find AE. Here answer I have given AD by DB equal to AE equal to EC. Each proportionality theorem 1.8 upon 5.4, AE equal to 7.2, AE equal to 5.4, 1.8, 7.2, AE equal to 1.8 and 7.2 upon 5.4. Final answer 2.4 centimeter. And in the figure of given below, find the RS plus PS using the informations of PRS. The answer of this question is here. We are mentioning angle of S 90 and P equal to 30 degree, and using trigonometric ratios, the sin theta equal to opposite by cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, and here 30 degree equal to PR equal to 12 and R is opposite angle P and adjacent is P. Then finally we are getting calculations of RS and calculations of PS equal to 10.39 units. We are getting that the final answer. And question number 2b3, in the following figure, circle is a center D touches the sides of ACB at A and B. If angle of ACB equal 52 degree, find the measurement of ADB. Here I have given the sum of all angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree, and the angle of ACB plus angle of CAD plus angle of CBD plus angle of ADB equal to 360 degree. 52 plus 90 plus 90 plus angle of ADB equal to 360 degree, the tangent theorem, and finally we are getting the 128 degree. 4. Verify the points 1, minus 3, 2, minus 5, 4, minus 4, 7. Here the same way angle of AB, BC, angle of A, we are getting the root 5, angle of BC also we are getting 6 into root 5. And the angle of AC we are getting. Here the formula is x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. And whole square root of, that is the formula we are using. Finally we are getting the answers like that. And the point ABCD are collinears, then ABC are collinears because we are getting 6 root 5 and AB plus AC equal to 5 plus root 5 equal to 6 root 5. AB plus AC equal to D of distance of BC from equation 3 and 4. If sin theta equal to 11 upon 61, find the value of cos theta in trigonometric identity. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. The same value theta value we have to apply here. Finally we are getting 3600 by 3721. So 60 upon 61. Taking square root of this both side. Finally that cos theta equal to 60 upon 61, that is the final answer. And 3a, in the following figure xy parallel to segment AC, if 2ax equal to 3bx and yx equal to 9, complete the activity to find the value of AC. Here is the questions, and 3 upon 2, and here is the AB, and here also by AA of test similarities. So AC equal to 5 into 9, 5 by 2 upon AC upon 9, 5 into 9 upon 2, 45 by divided by 2, AC equal to 22.5 units. And here is the complete the following activity to prove that the sum of the square of diagonals of rhombus is equal to the sum of the square of the sides. Here is the answers. I mention here 2 pt square and 2 rt squares, and next here 2 rt square plus 2 pt squares. Finally we are getting 2 pt squares and qa squares. The following points of P1, minus 2, Q5, 2 and R3, minus 1, yes, minus 1, minus 5 are the vertex of the parallelogram. And here the proof 1, 2, Q5, 2 and 3, minus 1, yes, minus 1, minus 5. We are getting that PQ value 4 root 2. And the same way QR, RS, PS we are finding the value of 2, 3, equation 4. And finally we are getting PQ equal to RS and QR equal to PS. The PQR is the parallelogram. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if both the pairs of its opposite sides are congruent. So finally the 1, minus 2 and 5, 2 R 3, minus 1 and S minus 1, minus 5 are the vertex of the parallelogram. And prove that tangent segments draw of the external point of a circular congruent. Here the circle of the center O and 2 points. Here the 3b2. Here is the answer. PA equal to PB, and the proof join OQ equal to OP radii, join OP. Here the instructions I have given, you have to plot the diagrams of the structures. Since PA equal to PB are tangent, OAP equal to OBP 90 degree, OP equal to OB radii, OP equal to OP common sides. So finally we are getting OAP and OBP 90 degree. And the same RHS congruency of triangles OAP, triangle OBP, PA equal to PB, pairs of congruent triangle proved. Question number 3b. They draw the circles of radius 1.4 cm. Construct the tangent of the circles from the point of a distance 7.3 cm from the center. Here is the answers. Step 1. And draw the circles of 4.1 with the center O, and mark a point P such as OP equal to 7.3. Find the midpoint M of OP with M as centers of radius MO. Draw the circles with the perpendiculars bisector method. The new circle intersect original circles at the point AB. Join PA and PB are the required tangent. Measured PA equal to PB will be the equal. And how many solid cylinders of radius 10 cm and height 6 cm can be made by melting and a solid spheres of radius 30 cm. Here is the questions and answers. We need 4 by 3 pi r cube, and we have to apply the same formula. Volume of one cylinders we are getting 600 pi centimeter cube. The number of cylinder, volume of cylinder upon volume of one cylinder 36,000 of pi divided by 600. We are getting final answer 60. Question number 411. On the DB parallel to BC, if DC equal to 4 cm, BC equal to 8, and angle of AD equal to 25 cm square, find angle ABC. Here is that the DC by DE upon BC equal to 4 upon 8 equal to half. Similarly, here is the area of angle ADE and area of angle ABC equal to 1 upon 2 whole square equal to 1 by 4. Let that angle of ABC equal to A, and 25 upon it equal to A equal to 1 by 4. A equal to 25 into 4 equal to 100 cm square. The final answer of area of young triangles ABC equal to 100 cm square. And 4, 1, 2. If DE BC equal to 3 is to 5, then find angle of ADE and angle and here DBCE. Here is the answers. The same step 1, step 2 we are getting angle of ADE upon angle of ABC equal to DE upon BC whole square. Finally we are getting 9 upon 25. Steps 2 also the same way, we are getting 16 units. Area of DBCE 25 minus 9, 16 units. And step 3 required ratio and 9 upon 16, 9 is to 16, that is the answers. And 4-2, here is the questions and here is the answers. Step 1 and here is the step 2. The complete triangles of ABC. The construction triangles PQ are similar to triangles of ABC 2:3 ratio. The final answer is here. The label A1, A2, A3 such as A1, A2, A1, A2, A2, A3. Join A2 to B since 2 is a smaller triangle's part. And fourth one and fourth point and fifth, sixth point, the same we will get the triangle of PQR similar to ABC is 2:3 ratio. And the ratio of the radii of the triangular ends of the forum of a cone of 14 cm and 8 cm. If one height of a forum is 8 cm, find the curved surface area of forum and the total surface area of forum, volume of the forum. And here the questions that L equal to root of h square plus r1 minus r2, h square 8 square 14 minus 8 square 64 plus 36 equal to 10 centimeters. The curved surface area of forum equal to pi r1 plus r2 into L. We are getting answer 690.8 centimeter square. The same way the total surface area of forum we are getting, so pi L R1 R2 plus pi R1 square plus pi R2 squares. We are getting 1507.2 centimeter square. The volume of forum equal to 1 upon 3 pi h R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. We are getting 311.88 centimeter cube. Question number 5.1. The triangle of ABC is rectangular. Here is the answers. We are getting AD equal to 9, AB equal to 12 centimeter, and BD equal to root of AB square plus AD square. We are getting 15 centimeter. In step 2, the same way AXD is a semicircle and X lies on BD. Use property of angle is semicircular, so by the angle of semicircular theorem, angle of AXD equal to 90 degree. And using the coordinate ADBC and find here. So the equations of semicircular radius is 4.5. Based on that calculations, we are getting midpoint AD. Solve these systems, this here, substituting y and the second equation to solve x. You will get the coordinates of x, and from that compute the distance bx. Let me all algebraic solutions value bx. I can calculate if necessary. The 5.2, verify the trigonometric identities for theta equal to 30 degree. Let's substitute theta equal to 30 degree in each identity. Sin square 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. And cos square 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2. Then sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree equal to, we are getting answer 1. That is verified. Then question number 2, 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Answers: tan square 30 1 upon root 3 and secant square 30 2 upon root 3. 1 plus tan square 30 1 plus 1 by root 3 squares. We are getting answers. LHS RHS equal to 4 upon 3. LHS equal to RHS matchings verified. 1 plus cot square theta cosecant square theta. We are getting the same way. LHS equal to 4 and RHS equal to cosecant square 30 degree equal to R2 square equal to 4. We are getting LHS RHS equal to 4. That is verified. And for further contact us, I have given here the details. If any doubt means put the comment box and kindly type in YouTube search @ of Vijay Kumar and kindly subscribe these channels. And thanking you.